Hi and welcome to another video on the channel AGR Tech. My name's Alessio, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix this copy of Windows is not genuine error. Now, if you've been using Windows for a long period of time, one error that you may have encountered is a prompt to say that Windows is not genuine. Now, this often results if you're using a copy of Microsoft Windows which is not licensed. However, there are many cases where legitimate copies of Windows will have this error show up. So, for example, you might have had a PC that hasn't been connected to the internet for an extended period of time, and when you do go to use it, it'll actually prompt for activation when it is actually a legitimate copy of Windows. Now, this can be very annoying and will also turn off any custom desktop wallpapers that you have and go to a window that looks like this. So if this looks familiar and you want to basically get rid of it and help get your system working again, then I'm going to be showing you a quick workaround. Now, this can also rise if Windows updates haven't run for a period of time. So I suggest the first thing you try is to get your machine back online and run Windows updates to make sure that your system is up to date, and that will most likely correct the issue. However, if it doesn't, here's a quick fix. So simply go to your start menu and type in CMD and right click on command prompt here and go run as administrator. Once you're in here, choose yes, and once you have a command window like so, you simply want to type the following command. So you just want to type in slmgr /rearm and then hit enter, and you'll have a little box that appears that will say command completed successfully, and then you just need to restart your machine and that will go ahead and take effect. Once you reboot, you should see the message gone and your wallpaper should default back to what it was, and the message to activate Windows should be gone. To combat that, I suggest further to go and install your updates once you're back online, and that should correct the issue and make sure that it doesn't appear again. For more tips, be sure to like the video and also check out the other videos and content on the blog. Hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, have a good day.